Good morning, one and all. Last video we have saw about the introduction of AI, and the unit starts with the problem solving. And in today's video, I will just have a recall. We saw what artificial intelligence and why we need artificial intelligence, and what is expert system. And we also saw about the what intelligence actually composed of, and we saw about problem solving and which are all the problems have been solved by AI, like towers of Hanoi. The AI can even play uh, water jug problem, traveling salesman problem, etc. And also we saw about the 5 steps for problem solving, that is defining the problem, analyzing the problem, identification of solution, and we will be having we have to choose, we may have n number of solution and we need to choose the correct solution, and at last we need to implement that problem. And next is called as the problem characteristics. Is the problem decomposable, and the steps can be whether the solution steps can be undone or ignored. Is the problem's universe predictable, or is a good solution absolute or relative, and is problem solving interactive? And this is the best example for whether the problem is decomposable or not. That means you have an expression, and if that expression is can be divided into small modules, and so on. And can solution steps be ignored or undone? Say for example, if it is chess, if we cannot predict like what the opposite party will move, on what basis he will move the coin, so which is not predictable. And if it is an 8 puzzle problem, if easily we can identify the backtracking. If the problem is backtracked, the solution is recoverable, otherwise it is irrecoverable. So that is the characteristics of problem. So that's what the solution which I have told. And the next topic is agent. What is an agent? Agent can do two things. One is either it can perceive, or it can perceive through sensors, or it can act through actuators. So this is actually the main structure of an agent. What is the structure is, you will be having an environment and you will be having an agent. The agent will learn from the environment through through sensors, and it will reply the action through actuators. And what are all the examples of agent is, we have human agent, we have robotic agent, and we have software agent. Human agent can sense used by eyes, ears, etc., and actuators, legs, hand, and mouth. And if it is a robotic agent, it can use cameras, eye, infrared rangefinder, motor, etc. And if it is a software agent, keystroke, we have file contents, and we have display to screens, and we can write files. So this is actually the agent means what is an intelligent agent, and how the agent can be learn from the environment, and how using the actuators, how it can revert back to the environment. So the real-time example we can say is the self-automated car, where the human will not be presented. So the automation car, with the help of the sensor, it will sense, and once it sense, it perform the acceleration action, that is whether the car should be moved, or if the signal is red, it will stop, and if the signal is green, it will move. So these training will be, or the learning will be learned from the environment. So the best example I can say is the self-automated car. So that's all about this video. we will see in the next topic in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.